Hi, welcome back to my channel and my name is Mukund. For almost 2 years you have been following this channel and it had no face. By the way, the voice that you listen to and the editing, the shooting, everything is done by me. Of course, the cooking is shared both between myself and my mother. So back in 2020, my mother and I started this channel. And today I think because of the work schedule and busy life, there is no time to actually, focus that much towards my videos, and I do want to change the style of the videos. So that being said, I am Mukund and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe to our channel and stay connected with all our recipes and much more things. So here we go. Most of the times we order pizza, and with pizza comes these tiny teeny packets of lot of flavors that usually goes into dustbin, or we use it for something at our home. But how can we use this effectively and make something special at home? Today's recipe is potato wedges with these spices and nothing else, and I'm sure you will love this recipe. Here I am taking 5 potatoes, not much because I'm alone at home, and all I need is these potatoes cleaned and completely ready to go for our potato wedges. So how do you get perfect wedges every single time? So here's a trick that I use, that is a 45-degree trick. So every time you cut a potato into half and take the half and go 45 degrees in, and then slide it down, 45 degrees in, slide it down again, 45 degrees in, and done. And then you get perfect wedges. Perfect, isn't it? Once the potatoes are cut, the next step is obviously to wash them thoroughly. The idea is to remove all the starch from the cut potatoes. After cutting the wedges and washing them thoroughly, the next step in the process is to actually boil them till they are a little soft. To the hot boiling water, let us add all our cut wedges, and then goes our king of taste, Mr. Salt. Let us add the salt, cover the lid, and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. So here we have a perfectly soft, it's breaking apart, so which means it's done. So we switch off the stove and take it off. After about 5 to 10 minutes of boiling this into hot water and having it as soft as it breaking apart, now I have stopped it and give it a quick cold water bath so that it stops cooking. And now we add 2 packets of oregano and 2 packets of chili flakes. And now to this goes 1 tablespoon of corn flour. And then goes a little bit of cooking oil. Give it a thorough mix, gently but a thorough mix. Spread this evenly on a baking tray as much as possible. Then it goes into 200 degrees preheated oven for about 30 minutes. In no time we have baked potato wedges all made at home. If you don't have an oven at home, you can just go ahead and shallow fry it with little bit of oil, but make sure the temperature of the pan is on a higher side so that it becomes crispy like this. Not to forget, do have tomato ketchup at home. This is yum. All you need is potato, salt, oregano, chili flakes. This is yum.